Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to save your favorite effects on Capcut so that you will be easy to find them again later. So the first thing that you have to do now is just go open the effects collections on the Capcut page. Go click this effects. You can choose either the video effects or photo effects. Since I have video here, just go click the video effects. And now you just need to find which effects that you want to save. So let's say you will be like oftenly use a shake, so you just need to type this shakes on the search button. Go click search and find out which shakes type that you want to save. So let's say you will be mostly use this shake here, so you just need to click and hold to save this effect. And you will see that this will be like saved into your favorite. And how to find this, you just need to go visit your favorite by go click this part, and your effect that you just saved will be saved right here. So that is the way, guys, how to save your favorite effects on a Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.